troubled with a black and white screen on your Android phone? Let's fix it. So there may be a couple of reasons for everything turned into black and white. However, do not worry, we're gonna fix it today. So let's open up the settings. After that, the first thing which you may check for is maybe you've set it up the bedtime mode today, because bedtime mode sometimes they include that grayscale inside of them. So let's scroll down to our digital well-being and parental controls. In my case, however, if you're using Samsung, it's gonna be modes and routines, I believe. So let's choose it. After that, simply tap on bedtime mode and let's turn it off now. Let's turn it off. Well, in my case, problems still persist. However, if it's finished and you don't want your phone to turn into black and white anymore, I recommend to press customize and press screen options and make sure to turn off that grayscale, because grayscale does it. That's what's going on. That's why you see that you're in bedtime mode. All right. The second way and the second problem, or the second reason why it could happen is to once again open up our settings and scroll down to accessibility this time. Here it is. Now simply press color and motion. Press color and motion. Locate to color correction and make sure to turn it off. Our colors are back to normal. If the problem still persists, I recommend you to hold your power button, and on some phones it's a power button plus volume down, in some phones volume up, so press it and press restart. There you are. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.